Kumare, tell me, have you ever watched rain slide down a window and wondered if somewhere someone's thinking of you too? Tonight, I'm curled up in my favorite pastel dress, warm mug in hand, eyes fixed on the street below. There he is again, the same guy, always passing by at exactly 8:13 p.m., umbrella in one hand, coffee in the other. I swear, he glances up just for a second towards my window. My heart tumbling. I don't even know his name, but the way he slows down at the corner, the way his eyes linger, parang may silent message. Sometimes I imagine, does he notice my silly little ritual? The lights dimmed, curtains half drawn, me pretending not to wait. Maybe he counts on seeing me too. Raindrops tap against the glass, my mind spinning wild stories. Is he just a neighbor or someone who secretly knows my schedule, my moods, my longing? Suddenly, I catch my reflection, a smile I didn't know I had. So, kumare honest, if you were me, would you ever wave first? Or just keep dreaming behind the glass? Because honestly, sometimes the waiting feels sweeter than the knowing.